Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I am all set up here at the farmer's market. I'll go around to the front and show you my booth. I did bring a little bit of lavender and there are a few more vendors today, so that's awesome. Hopefully we'll get these sold. So here's a look at the back of the bouquets as well. They're all, I forgot to do that yesterday, spin you guys around. So there's the back, and then the front. Well, the red with the purple lisianthus went first. Number 2. And then another red one went, so red's the color of the day. Number 4. And then a pink one just went. And number 5. So down to 3. Number 1. Number 3. Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So it's really windy today on the farm, so I'm not going to do a lot of footage outside. I do have the garden club coming later today, and to be straightforward, I kind of hurt my hip somehow. It's been hurting really bad, and I just had to take it easy yesterday and stay off of it and hopefully get healed a little bit. So there wasn't much activity. My dad did come out and he mowed and he picked up all those sunflower stems, so that was awesome. I wasn't expecting that while I was being a bum and just laying and trying to get my hip to feel better. So I don't know what's going on there. I don't usually have problems like that. I don't even know what I did. Usually I know what I did if I hurt myself, but this time it just kind of crept up on me. But I did go and cut this bucket of lavender, and I think I'm just gonna stand and bundle it up because standing actually feels the best to me. Sitting down does not feel good. Laying on the floor flat does feel good. So those are the 2 things I'm doing the best right now. So it's kind of hindering my flower forming, but I guess that'll happen to you sometimes. But I was having the garden club out today, so I did want to do some weeding and stuff to make it nicer, but it is what it is. They're going to see the flower farm that hasn't really had anything cut since Friday when I had the farmer's market, except for the lavender, and I'll be able just to kind of explain what I do out here. It is getting to the end of the season, so obviously I don't have as many plants, and like my perennial field has been kind of taken over by weeds. But those are all things I use in the spring, and I think I can just explain that to them and show them the annuals that are still blooming, and hopefully we will get to see some pretty flowers. I did see there's a lot of pretty lisianthus and pretty ageratum and pretty zinnias out there. Hello, it's pretty windy out here, so you're probably not going to be able to hear much, but I was just going to show you really quick. The garden club's coming out today, so this is what they're going to see. Some lovely zinnias, Rebecca that's gone to seed, coneflowers that's gone to seed, and kind of a messy Yarrow row of weeds. And this is my salvia, which I could have cut back, but it'll come back next year. Got some beautiful purple sage, purple Russian sage. My lavender, I missed that plant. I've got my lavender rows, which do need weeded. These rows over here are a little more weeded. And then, of course, my peonies that are looking pretty sad this time of year. And then we've got the lisianthus, the basil, the gomphrena at the end. Ageratum, the sunflowers, some more zinnias. We've got the verbena, some sunflowers, a whole row of snapdragons down there that need cut. And then some statice, asters, and cosmos. And then over here we have the gomphreena, the zinnias, the sweet Annie. There's some dahlias tucked in there. Some amaranth that's kind of coming back. These would probably be good for the florists because they're new blooms. And of course, the mahogany splendor hibiscus. So I do think there's a lot of things to see out here, so that's exciting. They should be here in a little bit, and I'll go through that. I'm going to bundle up this lavender, and that's pretty much the day in the life of a flower farmer. And then the order of the bouquets at the farmer's market, I did sell all 5 of my $20 bouquets, and then I actually sold 6 because my mom came and bought my dahlia bouquet, even though I told her it didn't last very long and I was going to take it home. She got that one. So I sold 6 of the $20 ones, and I think I sold 2 of the $10 ones. So it definitely has slowed down since the beginning of summer, but next week is, or this week, I guess, this week is the last farmer's market. So, and then I have 2 bouquet subscriptions to do, and then whatever the florist asks for, and then any special orders I get that come in. So the season is winding down, but I will be getting ready for next season by planting bulbs, which I still don't have. I need to check on those. Okay, so I decided I was gonna go ahead and put the coffee shop bouquets together. I forgot to go on Saturday because I was having that hip problem and I laid on my floor all day. I forgot to go get the vases for the coffee shop. So what I did is I have a couple of the vases I had gotten because this wasn't the first time that happened. And I went ahead and made up all of their bouquets. So in the morning, I just have to go grab those vases, wash them, put flower food water in them, and then I can just stick the bouquets in, so it'll be really nice and really fast. So I got those done, and it is a beautiful bucket. Isn't that beautiful? And all I did is like each one of these is just, I have a little rubber band on it, and it's just a little $4 bouquet, because that's what they had asked for. They might, some of them might be worth more than $4, but that's okay. But I think they turned out really cute. Look at this funky one. I really liked it. There's a funny looking aster in it. I think people will enjoy that. But yeah, it's all done. I got all of my little lavender bundles made up. I need to just hang them upside down to dry them now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.